I want to show you my favorite earrings from Tiny Deal, my absolutely favorites. I just love them. I wear them every day with every outfit that I have. And I think they fit to any clothes. So as you can see, they have the shape of drops or something like that. They have no locks, but it's hard to lose them. The form is just beautiful, and they look like silver, and they even have probes here on the side. Probe 925, usual silver probe. And I don't know what else to say. I just love them. I have just taken them off and they're still warm. And I hope this video is useful for you.